Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, choose More at the bottom right corner and hit Agree, also at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select Done. And finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!